Migrating infrastructure from Terraform Cloud can feel risky, especially when you're concerned about rebuilding environments or moving Terraform state. N0 provides a migration wizard that allows teams to migrate their Terraform Cloud workspaces safely into N0. Let's take a look at how that migration process works. Hi everyone, I'm Alfonso, a solutions engineer here at N0. In this video, I'll walk you through how to migrate Terraform Cloud workspaces using the N0 migration wizard. Let's jump into the migration tool. Inside N0, the migration wizard allows teams to migrate Terraform Cloud or Terraform Enterprise workspaces directly into the platform. The wizard guides you through the migration process while maintaining your existing Terraform configuration and infrastructure state. The first step is connecting N0 to your Terraform Cloud organization. Once connected, N0 securely retrieves your existing workspaces and configuration. N0 automatically discovers the Terraform Cloud workspaces available in your organization and lists them here for migration. This gives teams full visibility into the environments that can be migrated. From here, teams can choose which workspaces they want to migrate into N0. This allows migrations to happen gradually rather than moving every environment at once. During the migration process, N0 recreates each workspace using the same Terraform configuration, variables, and Terraform state that existed in Terraform Cloud. This ensures the environment behaves exactly the same after the migration. Once the migration completes, those workspaces appear as environments inside N0. At this stage, teams can review and validate their environments before switching execution to N0. The final step is Go Live. This allows teams to transition execution from Terraform Cloud to N0 once they're ready to start running their infrastructure directly through the platform. With N0's migration wizard, teams can safely transition Terraform Cloud environments into N0 without rebuilding infrastructure or manually transferring Terraform state. This makes it much easier for organizations to adopt N0 while maintaining their existing infrastructure workflows. Thanks for watching. And if you're interested in migrating your Terraform Cloud environments to N0, check out the documentation linked down below. And if you'd like to see more walkthroughs of the N0 platform, be sure to check out the rest of our videos. See you in the next one.